Hey guys, I have a super awesome unboxing today and I've waited. This is the laser. Forget who makes it though. I guess we'll find out. But this is epic. This has come from Australia. The land down under. Okay, yeah, there's nothing else in there. Okay, so, dude, I just got this knife, look at it. What? Wow. I still, isn't it amazing that I still can't open shit? Maybe I shouldn't use this knife to open shit. Oh, well, hold on. Oh yeah, look at that. It slices like butter. Like a burger. Ow, dude, I think I just caught myself. Oh. Why do I keep having cats in the photos with me? Oh my god, I give up. Okay, so then I just push this in. So this is, what is this one again? This one is the Kaiser Sheepdog. Okay, yeah, right. I need to move this cat. Okay. This stupid cat. You guys want to see what the cat looks like? Look. She's annoying. Ugh. Okay. So, dude, these things always look so much bigger in the photos. All right, let's do, let's do this, Elementum button lock, huh? Oh, shit. There we go. Eesh. This thing is so pretty. It's pretty. Okay. Ooh. The cat has come back. This cat. Okay. So check this out. Oh my gosh. So I was told that the box itself, or the case itself that it comes in, is its own little own little fidget thing. God, I'm sorry about the cats, dude. Hold on. Okay, so I was told that this in itself is like a fidget toy. Okay, so, oh my god, dude. So this is magnetic. Wow. Look at that thing, and it's heavy. Dude, and it is like in there too. Oh shit. I gotta get it out of there. Oh jeez. Wow. Wow. This is stainless steel, I think. Gosh. Oh, it's got a little engraving. 14 out of 50. Gosh, this thing looks like a tool. So how do I do it? Oh, it's got these little... What the hell? Oh. So, I know one of these is magnetic and one is not. Yeah, it's definitely awkward. Maybe if I hold it this way. Yeah, maybe this way. Well, this feels a little bit better. You put your finger over there and here. Now, I know you might think, well, Mel, are you going to get rid of this? Never. Okay, so don't even think about it. This is, I don't even care how hard it is to use. This thing is staying in my collection forever. Ouch. Forever. All right, let's take a look. Damn, I just pinched myself. What the hell? What the hell is that? That's weird. Look at that. It goes in and out. That is pretty. It's very sharp. Gosh, I pinched myself. Wow. So, first impression is it's super, super awkward. The sound is decent. Well, maybe I gotta hold it here? No. See, I'm just trying to figure out a way to use the stupid thing. I don't understand why they have to make it so difficult. Whew. Now, would I recommend spending like $250 on it? No. But I got an excellent deal on this thing. I think I got it for like $140. Would I recommend spending $140 on it? I'm not sure. I gotta spend some time with it. I don't understand why it's so difficult to grip and use. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to spend some time with it. It feels good in the hand. Let me show you a little bit, size comparison. Sorry, I got the box over there. I got the Mahjong slider that I just reviewed, and then also the TK Bulldog. My hands are a decent size. It's not that big, but they're definitely heavier than the other things. It does feel good when you get a rhythm going. It's just awkward as hell to hold, because like I gotta hold from one end to the other. Yeah, it's awkward. Fuck. I feel like I'm like spraining my fingers to try to just do this. But anyway, it's still a work of art, right? I wonder if I could take one of these off. That might help, but I hate to modify things. Anyway, I'm gonna have to get back to you on a full review of this baby. It sounds good, feels good, except, I mean, it feels good in the hand, but it just doesn't feel great when you're sliding it. It's just so awkward. But case is cool as hell. It goes right back in there. Look, it just slides right on there. Isn't that neat? It's like a packing crate. So yeah, I'm not sure if I would recommend it or not. I'm gonna have to spend some time with it and do a full review. But anyway, I just wanted to do the quick unboxing to show you guys what I got, and I have lots of stuff coming. So hit the like and subscribe button. Drop me a comment. Do you like these kinds of fidgets? This is actually the predecessor of the Canon that's out now. This was the first one, the laser. Then they made the Canon. I think the Canon might be a little bit maybe more finger friendly, but this thing's heavy. Anyway, drop me a comment. Oh shit. Have you ever seen these things before? Do you have one? I know there's a PC one out that looks cool. I love them acrylic fidgets. Anyway, have a great night, guys.